Jade plants, also known as Crassula ovata, are a popular succulents that can be easily propagated from cuttings. Here are some step-by-step guide to how to propagate jade plant from cuttings. Before going to grow a jade plant cutting, you need to select the healthy jade plant. Choose a mature jade plant with a well-established branch. It's the best to take cutting from the healthy disease-free plants. Choose a healthy non-flowering stem for your cuttings. A stem with 2 to 4 inch in length is ideal. Make sure it has few leaves on it. Keep in mind that jade plant relatively slow growers, so it may take some time to see significant growth and development. Make sure to provide them with the right condition and they should thrive. Remember that propagation success can vary, so it's good idea to take multiple cuttings to increase your chances of success. Rooting medium. You can well draining mix such as cactus or succulent soil mix. Alternatively, you can use 50 by 50 mix of perlite and peat moss. Selecting the small pot or container. Select a pot with drainage holes to plant your cuttings. Planting the cutting. After successfully cut the stem, you can plant it in the rooting medium or you can insert the cutting directly into the soil. Or you can dip the cut end in a rooting hormone to encourage root growth. Water the cutting slightly but don't overdo it. Jade plant prefers to dry out between watering. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soaked.